Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something quick and essential: how to log into your Regions bank account. Whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will get you online in no time, so you can manage your finances with ease. First off, grab your device and open up your preferred web browser. Head straight to the Regions Bank website by typing regions.com into the address bar. Make sure you're on the official site to keep your information secure. Always double-check for that little lock icon in the URL. Once you're on the homepage, spot the Login button, usually located at the top right corner. Give it a click, and you'll land on the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your username and password. Take a second to ensure your caps lock is off and you're using the correct details. It's an easy mistake to make. After submitting your credentials, Regions Bank might ask for an extra layer of security, like a one-time verification code sent to your phone or email. This is a good thing. It's there to protect your account from unauthorized access. Just follow the prompts to verify, and you'll be good to go. If you ever forget your password, don't panic. There's a Forgot Username, Password link right on the login page. Click it, and you'll be guided through a simple recovery process, often involving your email or security questions. And just like that, you're logged in. You can now access your accounts, check balances, transfer funds, and more. Remember, always log out when you're finished, especially if you're on a shared or public device. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe and see you in the next video.